Hi guys, this is Alsewa technician, and I hope you guys are fine. And today video I'm gonna show you that Mercedes Benz GLK 250, the lights come out auxiliary battery malfunction. So don't worry about anything, and you guys know that Mercedes have two batteries. So one is for the charging system and other is for the whole vehicle. So today I'm gonna show you that how to replace it, how to like recycle it. So touch with me. Turn off the car, take the key out. You guys can see that GLK 250 Mercedes. Open the trunk and remove top of the cover. And on the right side there's two screws. I already lose it for time to shoot a video. So there's two bottle and keyboards, and remove the cover. You guys can see that this is the small battery, and we're gonna replace with this is the new one. We're gonna replace it, and touch with me guys, I'll show you now. Open the 10 socket and remove the 10mm socket before remove the negative part. Remove it, remove the upper cover, and you guys can see it's very easy. Don't go anywhere for this, and you can buy online and like what we say, repair by own yourself. So remove that cover, remove the suction pipe, remove the whole battery, fix it. And fix it the same place and recover it. Attach the pipe and fix it. Tight the screws. Sorry for the inconvenience. When you put the battery, you put the positive terminal first, then the what we call that the negative terminal. So it's gonna be okay after when you're doing this. I'm gonna take the T for time limit to save guys. Very and now we going to start the vehicle. Let's check that is the key. So now close the door insert the key, push the brake, start the vehicle. It's a normal use fuel level. There's a fuel level. So you guys can see that there is no LED for auxiliary battery malfunction. So this is the easy way